Rayner, the Secretary of State for Housing, Communities and Local Government, acknowledged the precarious financial situation facing numerous local authorities across the country, stating that the government is under no illusions about the challenges they face. This follows a year where a record number of cash-strapped councils sought permission to exceed the government's 4.99% council tax cap. The unprecedented demand for tax increases highlights a deepening financial crisis within local government, a consequence of over a decade of sustained central government funding cuts. The cumulative impact of these cuts has left many councils teetering on the brink of financial collapse, forcing them to resort to drastic measures to maintain essential public services. The sheer number of councils applying for exemptions underscores the severity of the situation. Among those granted permission to significantly increase council tax are Somerset, a Liberal Democrat-run council, and Trafford, under Labour control, both authorised to raise bills by 7.4%. The substantial increase reflects the desperate financial straits these councils find themselves in. Further emphasizing the widespread crisis, Birmingham, a Labour-controlled authority, also received approval for a 7.4% increase. Birmingham's situation is particularly critical, having declared effective bankruptcy in 2023 and currently operating under special measures. This stark reality serves as a powerful illustration of the systemic financial instability plaguing local government. Rayner's statement to Parliament acknowledged the gravity of the situation, emphasizing the government's commitment to fiscal responsibility. She reiterated the government's pledge to keep taxes on working people as low as possible, while simultaneously recognizing the undeniable fragility of local government finances. However, her acknowledgement of the crisis did not translate into immediate promises of substantial financial aid. Instead, she stressed the need for difficult choices and internal reforms within local government, stating that tough decisions are needed across local government to fix. This statement implies a reliance on internal restructuring and fiscal prudence by local authorities, rather than a significant injection of central government funds to alleviate the immediate crisis. The lack of concrete financial support in her statement is likely to fuel further criticism from opposition parties and concerned local authorities, who argue that the government's austerity measures are directly responsible for the current widespread financial instability and the impending threat of widespread bankruptcies. The long-term impact of this financial crisis on essential public services and the ensuing implications for citizens across the country remain to be seen. The coming months will be crucial in determining whether the government's approach proves adequate to address this significant challenge, or whether a more substantial intervention will be required to prevent further widespread financial collapse within local government.